Hello, this is Lee Mallett from Mallett Buildings, part of our 23 series on why you should do business with Mallett. Today we're going to talk about fascia and Ratguard. Fascia is where the wall meets the roof, and the fascia trims out your building. We put that on every building. Some companies don't. And if you don't, what happens, you have a crack where the metal meets the roof. There's a possibility of water pushing up in there, whereas the fascia is going to protect that. So that's standard on our buildings. The other product is Ratguard. Ratguard is the part that fits right there at the bottom, and it actually the sheet sits on top of a lip. Okay, and so the high is protected. It can't get under the lip like a rat. I call it Ratguard because the rat can't get up under the lip. But it sits on top of that lip in this car. So all our buildings come standard. Some companies don't. And it's not first of all, it's not as cosmetic, but it doesn't protect you from the rat being able to get up into the high. And it just trims out the building. It's just really a good product. So we put that standard on all Mallett buildings. So give us a shot. We'd love to see you. Once again, thank you for listening, and come see us.